Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on Casper. But before I get started, please click the like and subscribe button as it helps this channel grow very quickly. So we're going to take a look at Casper. I want to start with this. The Casper network has everything it needs to be a leading Layer 1 blockchain. Lots of exciting projects under development just now with some of the world's largest enterprises choosing Casper as their route to Web 3. In my opinion, that is massive. And the thing is, we see Casper continuing to grow. And then we see this. So, great thread. Learn, live, love, and appreciate these assets. And the list is all of those ISO coins. And now we're starting to see Casper being part of that list. Why? I believe it started with its partnership to IBM. And I think that partnership was well into the works long before it was even announced. I think IBM is not going to just partner with anyone. Let's put it that way. They're not. They have no reason to. Casper fills a void that they need to fill in the new financial system, in my opinion. And I think that's going to be very big for Casper also. But then we also see this, the first blockchain built for enterprise adoption. So whenever somebody fudge you on the fact that, ISO is just a scam, it's not real, yet we can see CBDCs popping up all over the world. We see digital currencies popping up in all other countries. We even see countries that you never even heard of getting a CBDC. They're starting to bank the unbanked. But even beyond that, Casper is so much more. It's Ethereum 3.0, energy efficient, proof of stake built for developers, NFTs, fast and secure, Web 3.0, decentralized, low fees, enterprise adoption, future proof, scalable. That's what Casper is. So even if it wasn't an ISO coin, it still has a whole ton of use case and utility, a lot of value. And then we see this. So, Casper's advantages: consensus algorithms, Highway Protocol 2.0, proof of stake, permissionless layer 1 blockchain, yes, fast, secure, and decentralized. Main programming language, future-proof smart contracts, Rust-based code, NFTs, NFT 3.0, advanced usability, real asset NFTs, and more. Then we see enterprise adoption, Fortune 500 and NASDAQ listed companies. You think those companies need to just partner with any other company? You think they partnered with Casper for no reason? No, they see a need that Casper fits into. They see a way to improve their technology using Casper. So fees, low and predictable. dApps, DeFi, AMM, NFT marketplace launching in 2 to 3 weeks. Energy efficient. Listen, if you're invested in a cryptocurrency that is not energy efficient right now, that crypto will not pass regulations. We see it with the climate change regulations overseas. In the US, we not only have climate, regulations coming, but we also have Gary Gensler's regulations, whatever they may look like. We don't know. But I believe Casper will pass any regulations that are thrown at it. That's how good of a cryptocurrency this is. So great partnerships. Partnered with Casper Labs, BlockVIO, and Smart Media Labs. Partnered to drive global adoption of NFTs. Large institutions and organizations, governments, banks, and many businesses. They will all adopt it soon. Yes, big announcements are coming for Casper. The big one there is global adoption of NFTs. In my opinion, that is also going to be very massive. Why? Because we see NFTs now with use case, with utility, and global adoption. Come on, that is going to be big. New website launch. We now have launched CasperBlockchain.io, where you can check out projects and developments in the fastest growing ecosystem build on Casper. Even during crypto winter, the bear market, Casper continued to expand and grow. They were hiring in the middle of the bear market. So what do you think is going to happen whenever we come out of the bear market or crypto winter and start really taking off? In my opinion, Casper is going to skyrocket in price. It's going to be massive. It's a sleeping giant. So coming soon to Casper Network, the Genesis Empire, a cross-chain NFT collection with an amazing storyline, unique features, and utility. We're starting to see it in NFTs. I said early on, any NFTs that were very early, the first ones that were starting to be created, those are going to be traded like trading cards, like, baseball cards years ago. Early NFTs will probably be the most valuable at some point. Then on top of that, if they have use case and utility, that'll add more value to NFTs as time goes on. Then we see this. Hurry up, join Casper Army. Now be part of an NFT project with real utility. The army is coming. And again, I always like to show NFT work. And I like to talk about NFTs because I think they're going to be more and more important as time goes on. They're already starting to talk about NFTs being used as digital IDs in the future. So, fourth, WiseKey has created Wise Art, the world's first truly secure platform for valuable art and collectibles. That means unprecedented security for buyers and sellers. So anyway, think about that. Security for buyers and sellers. And think about, you want to sell an NFT, right? It gives a security layer for the buyer and the seller to trade. I think that's where they're going with that. So then we see this, Casper Network, Ethereum 3.0, Web 3.0, and then Casper Network version 1.4. Now, here's the other thing. We see these cryptocurrencies, they're always upgrading their technology. They're making their technology even better. And I think as time goes on, Casper is going to fully evolve and continue to evolve. It's not going to be one of those cryptos that are gone. It's going to be around with us for a long time, and it's going to continue to gain value as time goes. Like, everybody's banking on the fact that, okay, this cryptocurrency is tied to ISO 222. Now that happens, and all of a sudden the price skyrockets. But that's it. That's the price that people think it will get to. But the part they're missing is, even if there was no ISO 222, Casper still has its own use case and utility beyond that. NFTs, Metaverse, Web3, partnered with Fortune 500 companies, tied to everything. Casper, in my opinion, without ISO, right, happening, is easy from where it sits right now, a 20 to 50x. Most likely even more than that, because the price is so pushed down right now. But with that said, I'm going to wrap up today's video. I want to thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.